you taught me a lot about, how to actually aggregate cases. And if you do aggregate cases with digital marketing, what do you have to do operationally?
What's aggregate?
Get cases, collect, like be able to do direct to consumer. And if you get a lot of calls, what happens next? So they do something where you try to you want to break their system, right? You want to have so many calls, they have an intake problem, but Maria trains them to be like, what do you have to fucking do? She bugs me all the time. She's like, how many LSAs did you have this week? What was the conversion? I was like, I don't fucking know. Ask these
What's
people.
an LSA? I'm a donkey, man. What's an LSA?
Local service ad.
Do Google.
The Google screened.
Oh, those are the ones that you have to do like the background check.
Yeah.
Well, you should
You didn't
explain.
pass the
I
June.
didn't pass.
You failed. Yeah.
Explain. You should explain to reviewers and listeners because it's very powerful and it does very well because you know what you're doing. But explain to everybody what it is.
So local service ads, unlike pay-per-click, you're not paying per click, you're paying per qualified lead. So let's say you're running a campaign for personal injury and somebody calls you and they're either a vendor or they have a family law case. You can actually dispute it and not pay for that. It's relatively inexpensive compared to like the historical data we have for pay-per-click, right? So a cost per case for personal injury from LSA would be like $1,500 to $2,500 is considered good. We have situations where clients are getting their cost per case under $1,000 for PI from local service ads. The tough thing with local service ads is that it's tough to spend like a significant budget. So firms will be like, you have an unlimited budget, we want to spend $300,000 a month. Pay-per-click will let you do that. Your cost per case will be like $4,000 though. LSA won't let you. Like you might spend $10,000, $20,000. It's very lucrative. It's just finicky because it's hard to get it to spend.
But you also have to have the system in place to be able to handle these calls, track those calls. You were talking a little bit about the call rail bridge that.
Yeah, well, there's so much that goes into attribution, right? So like ideally a law firm has lead docket, right? Or something similar where we can track it, like through Clio we can track it, right? So things like that. And then we want to understand where the lead originated from. So did it come from local service ads? Did it come from pay-per-click? Did it come from local SEO? Did it come from organic SEO, right? So that's like how we track attribution.